Okay, so I've done as much work on the battery project as I can do for now, and I have to take it to a job site to actually do some work with it. But I wanted to just sort of make a little video about it before it leaves the shop. I intend to add a couple more circuit breakers and some 30 amp twist locks for like 240 volt devices, or for tying it into a larger structure in the future. But for now, 120 volt outlets will be just fine for my application. I wasn't able to get the charge controller serviced yet because the MOSFETs on it are out of production and the substitute is currently back ordered. So I swapped another one I had onto it for now, and I'll keep working on that other one later. But the battery is operational now. I welded a frame for the front of it, which is like the sort of rusty and black steel up there, so that I can strap it down to the side of a truck. And also it has a horizontal beam across there so that you don't bump into the terminals with the forklift or the pallet jack. It has the pallet jack in the back side right now, but you could conceivably come from the front, and I just wanted to make sure that the body of the pallet jack didn't crash into the terminals. And I settled on 125 amp fast acting fuse down there, and that seems to have been working. I did about half power load test, and everything seemed to work no problem, and the battery doesn't have much sag. So I have an input here for the PV that I'll have at the worksite, and I'll set that up. And I'm waiting. I had to order another unit of solar panels, so like another 30 per unit they are, so 30 450 watt panels. They're 144 half cells. So I'll be setting those up to power this. Not all of them, just maybe 5 kilowatts or 4 kilowatts worth. And so I might be able to turn it on maybe. And then, okay, I think. So the 37 amps you saw there was obviously the DC current, and this heat gun is let's see, 14 amps, so maybe 1800 watts. And yeah, so that's the project. I hope it looks good. Hope I didn't mess anything up. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you guys have questions about how I set up different parts of it, or about if you guys wanted to set up something like this yourself, you can, throw it in the comments and I'll try and answer those questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.